How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to delete backgrounds in Luminar Neo. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that we're giving away 50% off your very first 1-year subscription with Skylum. So you can find the link for that in the description down below. And as an added bonus, we'll also be giving you guys 10 euros off of the many components that you use in Skylum. So this is also achievable with the personal discount code, which can also be found in the description down below. So with all that said, back to the video. So for this example, I'm going to be using one of the sample photos provided by Luminar Neo. So let's actually take this guy. So basically you want to open the asset or import the file that you want to edit. And once you have that up, I'm going to click on the edit tab right here, and under layer properties, there should be an option that says masking. Now what you want to do here is click on masking, and right away you should see an option to remove the background. Oh, hold on, it's bugging out. So there it is. So you basically want to let the application do its magic, delete the background. So a quick intermission here. As I've said at the start of this video, we'll be giving away 50% off your very first 1-year subscription with Skylum. And as an added bonus, we'll also be giving you guys 10 euros off of the many components that you use in Skylum. So you can do that with the personal discount code, which can also be found in the description down below. And with all that said, back to the video. So the what happened here is Luminar Neo detected the subject in frame. So it's this person right here. Now it's not perfect. You'd have to add this part right here. But what you would want to do is select the thing that you would want to remove from the asset. So in this case, you want to highlight this. Okay, or rather, you want to keep this. You want to keep the person in the frame, and click on remove. Now what would happen is the application will remove everything except the person. So there you guys go. That's how we do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. And lastly, once again, before we end the video here, if you guys are still interested in getting Skylum or Luminar Neo, we will be providing a 50% discount code down in the description below for your very first 1-year subscription. And also, there will be a 10 euro discount for the many components offered by Skylum and Luminar Neo. So you can do this with the personal discount code, which can also be found in the description down below. So if you guys are still interested, be sure to use the links and the discount code down in the description down below.